Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT in Google Docs. It is a very simple and easy process, so let's get started. First of all, find the Google app on your home screen. Now open it. After opening it, tap onto the search button and type ChatGPT and search for it. Then tap onto the Try ChatGPT option and it will open up like this. Now type whatever you want to search on the ChatGPT, just like this. Then it will provide you with the answer that you need. Then keep on tapping one text and simply select the text where you want to copy it and add on to the Google Docs, just like this. After selecting the text, simply copy it. Now go back to the Google Docs app and open it. Then choose one document where you want to paste it. Now paste the text that you have just copied from the ChatGPT option. Now paste it. Now you can see the text has been copied to the document in Google Docs. And that's it. This is how you can use ChatGPT in Google Docs. It is a very simple process, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.